Welcome to the Stock Market Scalper channel. Here is your host, Scalper 779.
Thank you so much for coming back to another video. I am your host, Scalper 779, and I hope you're doing very well, and I hope you had a very good trading day today. Here we got our friend looking at us, Mr. Spiders. Price action was pretty much straight up the whole day. We had a little down action around 11 o'clock here, but it went straight back going up to 245, and then we had a little regress and then one little move back up. So we are going to be looking at the 499 call option here, and right off the beginning we got a low of $80, and by 11 o'clock it had the high of $151. That's not a big move for a call option, to be honest with you. That if you had to wait in your trade all that time, it's almost not worth it, to be honest with you, as we will see in the next two examples after this example. But right now, let's look at the low here at 12 o'clock, coinciding with this candle. We have a low of $107, and that went all the way up to 266 right here. That's a pretty good move. That's a double your money kind of move, and that's what we're looking for, although you'd have to wait about 3 hours for that one. But anyway, there's good profit there. So let's take a look at the next one, which will be the 500 call option. All right, so the next option we're going to be looking at is the 500 call option. And where's 500? Right here. Yeah. If you guys were watching the action today, you know, it bounced just before it almost went through, came down a little bit, broke through, and then came back down. Anyway, let's take a look at what the call option did. What's the low here? $46. That's pretty cheap, but it only had a high of 83, so not even a double your money move. So that's not a good move when it comes to call options. So it came back down, made a lower low, and we have a low of $40. Okay, and what's the low here? $40, a low of 44. All right, and so we went all the way up to 115, reading the wrong value here, 163 and 169. All right, so that's not bad. More than double. We're looking at maybe quadruple your money. Okay, so pretty good profit there. That's the 500 call option. That's the kind of action we're looking for, especially these big moves right here. And when you get these big candles, that's when you know it's about to turn around in price. So you want to sell, you know, when this candle is like twice the size of the last candle, you kind of got to think, okay, let me get out of here when the getting's good. All right, so let's take a look at the 501 call option. Last but not least, we got the 501 call option here, and price from the beginning of the day went sideways, then at around 11:15 headed down south to 12 o'clock with a low of $14. Now that's really cheap. All right, that's kind of my price range area. Whenever a call option goes below $20, my mouth starts to salivate. I get really hungry to buy. So we got a low of 14, and it went all the way up to $49, almost $50. Okay, and that is more than double your money. Okay, that's pretty good. And then it came down. What's the low here? 26, but then kept going back up all the way to 80 and 80. Yeah, okay, wow, same price. So it didn't quite hit $100 profit, right? Usually when it's a true move, it'll go from the low. So this low is $14. It'll go to at least $114, if not a few dollars higher, maybe to $116, $120, and then come down. I've seen that so many times, but just sometimes, and again, this was a Friday, and the options were, this option expired today, so maybe the algorithms and the Greeks weren't working all in line. I don't know how exactly the science works behind all the theory and the formulas, but anyway, that's a pretty good buy right there, between $14 and $20. You hold it, and if you could have read this with technical analysis, then you would have got a good chunk of change back. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you did so, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel, because we got a whole lot more videos coming your way. All right, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.